Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch, and this is our second video review for this wearable. The unboxing of the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. But this time we are going to check on the menus and features available for this Watch Ultra clone smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the features offered here for our T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start and explore the features available here in our T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Again, we have a crown button here, a pill-shaped button or side button, and an orange action button. Okay, you can use this one, the crown button, to change the watch face. Okay, as well as for this one, somewhat like a return button. Okay, while for the orange action button, it is specific for your sports function. So when you press it, you can access the sports function. Okay, for the UI of this wearable, swiping from top to bottom, we have the notification function. On the bottom part, we have the quick settings here. Bluetooth, we have it here, the brightness screen display. What else? We have the menu style, flashlight here, and the sports mode. We also have the music control function. Okay, and here on the left side we have the split screen menu. Okay, it shows the recently accessed function or menu here on your smartwatch. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so we have a grid style menu here. So let's check first the different menu style. So we have the grid line style, the grid style. So what's the grid style? Let's see. Okay, so this is the grid style. Okay, we also have the list slide, our favorite, and grid 12 style. Let's see the grid 12 style. So this is the grid 12 style, or maybe we haven't changed it. Let's see. Okay, press. Okay, so this is the grid 12 style without a name, just icons. Gypsophilia style. Let's see. Okay, can we zoom in? Yes, you can zoom in using the crown button. And the list slide. Okay, our favorite. Let's check. Press. Okay, for the menus, we have the dial. Okay, contacts, that is for the Bluetooth call. We have a call log. We have message notification. We have pedometer. This is automatic activity tracking, monitoring the steps, distance, and calories. We have sleep monitoring. We have sedentary alert. We have Bluetooth camera, Bluetooth music, find phone, alarm. We have here about. So as you can see here, we have T800 Ultra 2 version 1.1.4. We have brightness, the QR code for the app, reset, shutdown, torch, language support. Okay, so we have here different language support. We have the sports, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen. We have weather, stopwatch, calculator, and the menu style. We have Siri, support for WhatsApp, Facebook, Skype, Twitter. We have games here, puzzle games 2048. We have bedside lamp mode. We have dual mode. and that's it. Okay, so these are the different features or different functions for your T800 Ultra smartwatch, Ultra 2 smartwatch. For the sports function, let's use the shortcut here. We have the walking, running, cycling, skipping rope, badminton, basketball, what else? Football, climbing, tennis, rugby, golf, yoga, workout, dancing, baseball, elliptical machine, indoor cycling, free training, rowing, and I guess that's it. So how many sports do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. We have 16, and we have at least 20 sports function. For example, walking, so it monitors for the time, distance, calories. What else? Nothing else? Oh, that's it. Going back, cycling, we have distance, calories also. Skipping, the same. So no pedometer. Okay, so if you want to track your pedometer or the steps, we have here the automatic activity tracking. Okay, so let's check on the settings. We have do not disturb mode, shock, that is vibration, time settings. So let's change. Okay, screen time 60 seconds. We have password, screen lock, shutdown, reboot, restore factory settings, and that's it. Okay, so far it is also preloaded with different watch faces. This one is good. Okay, with proportion slim black border. Okay, so that's it for the features of your T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. A very affordable smartwatch loaded with health, sports function, and with also language support. We don't see NFC payment here. Okay, do we have an AI? Seems like we don't have it also. Oh, we have here the Siri, and with support for different applications. So it is a good smartwatch. Okay, especially if you compare the offered features with its price. Okay, so it is just less than $20 with watch strap lock. Okay, screws, real screws, and with extra strap for this wearable. Again, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Again, this is the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Bye.